Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 11.5 children from the second problem. Okay, your second problem is actually a tabular column problem where the equation is given and the value of that variable is given. We should find whether the equation is satisfied or not. Okay, so if I draw the table, it will be very big to see, right? That's why I'm writing only the equation and value of that particular variable. So we should check whether the equation is satisfied or not. Okay, so first 10y is equal to 80. What is the question? Equation 10y is equal to 30. 10y is equal to 80. So now we have to 10y is equal to 80. Now we have to substitute y is equal to 10. Okay, the value of the variable they have given. So we have to substitute it in here and we have to check whether our both are equal. Okay, so LHS I am taking. I already told you equation will have LHS and RHS. Okay, appo 10y correct? LHS is nothing but 10y. Appo 10 into 10 because y value is 10. 10 into 10 is 100. What is RHS? LHS answer is 100. What is RHS? 80. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Okay, therefore the equation is not satisfied. If LHS and RHS are equal, we can say that the equation is satisfied. Okay, so now for the second problem we have to do B problem. 10y is equal to 80 when y is equal to 8. 10y is equal to 80 when y is equal to 8. So here the equation is same as like last problem, but the variable is different, which is nothing but 8. Okay, so I am taking 10y is equal to 80. Appo LHS I am taking 10y. What is the y value, children? Y is equal to 8. Appo 10 into 8, 80. So LHS you are getting as 80. Now RHS also 80. Whether LHS and RHS are equal? Yes. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is satisfied. Okay. The equation is satisfied for y is equal to 8. Next, C problem. 10y is equal to 80 when y is equal to 5. Correct? So now the variable is changing. 10y is equal to 80. So what is LHS? 10y is equal to 10 into 5, 50. 10 5s are 50. RHS is 80. Whether LHS and RHS are equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Equation is not satisfied. Okay. Next, D problem. What is the D problem, children? 4L is equal to 20. What is the question? 4L is equal to 20 when L is equal to 20. See, here L is a variable. Okay. So what is the variable value? 20 they have given. So we should check it whether they are equal. So 4L is equal to 20 is the equation. So LHS is equal to 4L. Okay, LHS is nothing but 4L. 4 into L value is 20. So 4 2s are 8, 80. RHS is what? 20. RHS is what? 20. So whether 80 is equal to 20? No. Appo LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. The equation is not satisfied. Okay. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Next. After that, E problem. What is the question in E problem, children? the same equation. 4L is equal to 20 when L is equal to 80. 4L is equal to 20 when L is equal to 80. So first I am taking, what is the equation? 4L is equal to 20. LHS is what? 4L. Correct? What is L here? 80. 8 4s are 32, 0. 320 is the LHS value. RHS is what? 20. Whether 320 and 20 are equal? No. For LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. The equation is not satisfied. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? F problem is your homework. Okay. F problem is the homework. Next, G problem, we'll do it. Okay. What is the G question? B plus 5 is equal to 9 when B is equal to 5. Correct? B plus 5 is equal to 9 when B is equal to 5. What is the equation? B plus 5 is equal to 9. What is LHS here? LHS is B plus 5. LHS is what? B plus 5. What is B here? 5. Above 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to what? 10. Next, RHS. What is RHS? 9. Whether 10 is equal to 9? No. Appo LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. The equation is not satisfied. Okay. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Next, H problem. B plus 5 is equal to 9 when B is equal to 9. Okay, B plus 5 is equal to 9 when B is equal to 9. Okay, now what is LHS? B plus 5. Correct? What is B value? 9. But 9 plus 5 is 14. RHS, what is the answer? 9. Whether both are equal? No, both are different. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. The equation is not satisfied. Okay. I problem is your homework. Okay. I subdivision is the homework. Next, what is after I? J problem. What is the question? J problem is H minus 8 is equal to 5 when H is equal to 13. H minus 8 is equal to 5. H is equal to 13. Okay. So, what is the LHS here, children? H minus 8 is the LHS. What is H value? 13. 13 minus 8 is what? 5. RHS. What is RHS? 5. Whether 5 and 5 are equal? Yes. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is satisfied. The equation is satisfied for H is equal to 12. Okay. K problem. What is the K subdivision? H minus 8 is equal to 5 when H is equal to 8. H minus 5 is equal, H minus 8 is equal to 5 when H is equal to 8. Okay. So, what is LHS? LHS is equal to H minus 8. What is H value? 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. RHS. What is the RHS value? 5. Whether 5 and 0 are equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Equation is not satisfied. Okay. Next, after that, L problem is your homework. Okay. L problem is the homework. Next, M problem. What is the question? P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 3. P P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 3. Okay. So what is the LHS here, children? LHS is equal to P plus 3. So what is P value? 3. Appa 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. RHS value is what? 1. Whether 1 is equal to 6? No. Appa LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Okay. The equation is not satisfied. Next, n problem. What is the n problem, children? P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 1. So, what is the LHS here? Now, LHS is equal to P plus 3. What is P value? 1. Upper 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. RHS. What is the RHS value? 1. Whether 1 is equal to 4? No. But LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Equation is not satisfied. See, at last I couldn't able to write using my one hand. Okay, the equation is not satisfied. Okay, next, after that, O problem. O subdivision. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 0. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to 0. LHS. P plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to what? 3. Next, RHS is nothing but 1. Whether 1 is equal to 3? No. For LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Equation is not satisfied. Okay. Next, P problem. P problem. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to minus 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to minus 1. LHS. P plus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 because see children, P value is minus 1. Upper minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is what? Plus 2. Yes, because different sign. Subtracted 3 minus 1 2, greater number is what? 3. What is the sign of 3? Plus. Upper plus 2 is the answer. So you should use the integer calculations here. Okay. RHS is answer is what? 1. Whether 1 and plus 2 is equal? No. For LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. The equation is not satisfied. Next, what is the next Q problem? P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to minus 2. P plus 3 is equal to 1 when P is equal to minus 2. LHS P plus 3. Okay. What is P value? Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 means plus 1. Different sign, subtracted and put the greater number sign. Next, RHS. What is RHS value? 1. Plus 1, 1. Both are same. Upper LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is satisfied. Okay. Therefore, the given equation satisfied for the question. So, did you understand? When the value of the expression is given, we have to substitute in that given equation and we have to check whether they are satisfied. Okay. Next is your third problem, children. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket. Okay. In bracket, few values are given. We have to check which are the solution for the given equation. Okay. From these values, you should check what is the solution for the given equation. Show that other values do not satisfy the equation. So, how we will show it? See, 5m is equal to 60 is the equation. Okay, so this value 10, 5, 12, 15, these are all values of m, but all the values will not satisfy. Only one value will satisfy. That m value is nothing but solution of the equation. Correct? So if LHS and RHS are equal, it will satisfy the given equation. So that will be the solution of the equation. Correct? So we have to check whether one of these values will be the solution for this equation. What is that solution we should find, and check others are not solution of the equation. So what is the equation? 5m is equal to 60. So when m is equal to 10. Okay, now first answer I am taking first bracket value, because in this bracket only we have to check it. So I am taking m is equal to 10. LHS, what it will become? 5m is equal to 5 into 10, 50. Okay, when m is equal to 10 children, LHS become 50. RHS is equal to 60. Whether they are equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 10 does not satisfy this equation. If it satisfies only, that m value is a solution. Therefore, m is equal to 10 is not the solution. M is equal to 10 is not the solution or not a solution. Okay. Next, what is next m value I'll take? M is equal to 5. Okay. When m is equal to 5, what will become this equation? LHS, m is equal to 5. 5m is equal to 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. RHS 60. RHS is what? 60. Appo whether 25 and 60 are equal? No. Appo LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 5 is not a solution. M is equal to 5 is not a solution. We got it, right? Next, what is the m value? 12. When m is equal to 12. When m is equal to 12, what will be the LHS children? 5m is equal to 5 into 12. 12 5s are 60. RHS, what will you get? RHS 60. So here you have LHS and RHS are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 12 is the solution. Okay, m is equal to 12 is the solution. See here, you got LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. So, we have one more option, right? What is that? When m is equal to 15. That also you should check it. When m is equal to 15, LHS is equal to 5m is equal to 5 into 50. 5 15s, 15 5s are 5 5s are 25, 75. LHS is 75. RHS, what is the RHS? You will get 60. Okay, whether 75 is equal to 60? No. Appo LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 15 is not the solution. Okay, not the solution. So, m is equal to 15 is not a solution. So, what is the solution of this equation? 5m is equal to 6 children. M is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Therefore, m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. 5m is equal to 60. Okay, we got at last the solution of this equation. We have tried each and every values from this bracket. At last we got m is equal to 12 as the solution of the given equation. Okay, next, what is the next question? B problem. N plus 12 is equal to 20. N plus 12 is equal to 20. What are the bracket values? 12, 8, 20, 0. N plus 12 is equal to 20. Okay. What are the values? 12, 8, 20, 0. Okay. Now, we will do it. What is the equation? N plus 12 is equal to 20. So when n, here what is the variable n? N is equal to 12. LHS has become n plus 12 has become 12 plus 12, which is nothing but 24. RHS is 20. Whether 24 is equal to 20? No. Appo LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 12 is not the solution. We got it is not a solution. Next, again when n is equal to 8. Second option is n is equal to 8. By LHS is equal to n plus 12 has become 8 plus 12, which is equal to 20. 8 plus 12 has become 20. Next RHS is equal to 20. So 20 is equal to 20. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, did you got it? LHS equal to RHS. When they are equal, we can say n is equal to 8 is the solution. Okay, n is equal to 8 is the solution. Next, what is the third problem? 20. We have to check that 20, 0 and all not a solution. Okay, when n is equal to 20, what will be the LHS? N plus 12 is equal to 20 plus 12, 32. RHS 20. Whether 20 is equal to 32? No. For LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, what you will write? N is equal to 20 is not the solution. N is equal to 20 is not the solution. Okay, next, when n is equal to 0, what is LHS? N plus 12 is equal to 0 plus 12, you will got 12. RHS, RHS is what? RHS is 20. Whether 12 is equal to 20? No. For LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 0 is not the solution. N is equal to 0 is not the solution. Okay, you got. So what is the solution? N is equal to 8. So you can put this alone box. So others and all will not be highlighted, but the solution alone will be highlighted. Okay, so therefore at last we can write, therefore n is equal to 8 is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation n plus 12 is equal to 20. Understood? Is the solution of the equation n plus 12 is equal to 20. Okay. Next, third problem. C subdivision is your homework. Okay. So today's class we have discussed exercise 11.5, second and third problem, few problems. Then I have given from second problem F, I, L and third problem C subdivision as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.